Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Just Chinny Things. I ordered something from Shopee recently and it came today. I actually waited 3 weeks for it to arrive and I'm happy that I finally got it. So this is what I ordered. I actually ordered a Uraraka suit and you guys might be wondering why would I buy a new one when I already made one. Honestly, I wasn't that satisfied with the one I made, so I tried to search for an alternative, which is a suit online. And yeah, I found this from Shopee and I hope it turns out good and how it really looks in the pictures. So let's move on to unwrapping it. Just gonna rip this because I'm really excited. Just gonna rip it because I'm really excited to see. And it is placed inside a Ziploc, which is good. So here is the spandex suit that I bought. Actually lightweight. And it has contours in it. It's not plain black, plain pink, plain white. Look at that. They made the suit look 3D. I like it. And I actually ordered the small size and I hope it's not too tight or it's not loose, because you know, I'm skinny. Well, time to try it on. It's not really skin tight even though I've already ordered the small one. See, this is small size. I'm not sure if the contour prints on the suit makes my bust look big or my butt look big. But guys, do let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna put on my accessories and my shoes to let you guys see the entire result.
If you guys are wondering how I made the boots and the accessories, this is all thanks to Dizo Sensei's Pepakura templates. It's available in his Facebook page. Do check it out, DZ Files, and hit the like button. His templates are very easy to follow and simple, so you guys can totally make it yourselves.
Okay, I'm gonna give this suit a 9 out of 10 because it did a great job in, not making me look too thin, and it's a lot better than my previous suit because it doesn't look too dull because of the 3D prints on it, and it's comfortable and yeah. But I still have to make some minor adjustments because the small size is still a bit loose on me, so yeah. I'm glad how everything turned out, as you can see. If you guys are curious, I only got this for around 700 pesos plus the shipping fee. And don't worry, I will be dropping the product link in the description below so you guys can also buy the same suit that I got. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. That will be all, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time!